Paano niyo nakuha si Ken sa movie? Anong considerations, conditions bago mo siya napapayag pumunta ng Pilipinas?
Actually, it was Ignite.
Ignite. Ignite.
With all the negotiations. So, si Adolf ang sasagot.
Direct, paano ba direct? Ano ba yan? Nakakarinig.
Hello. Galing ang mic natin. Anyway, we actually were looking, Arlene and I, together with Dave, were searching for an actor who would play the Taiwanese character. So while we were like penning the material to different people, Arlene, who has a friend in Hong Kong, who knew Ken, told Arlene to actually send the script to Ken because he might be interested to do it, because I think the Hong Kong producer was negotiating for another film, I think years before. So out of our gut feel, Arlene sent the script to Ken, and after I think about a week we got a reply that he's interested, but he gave inputs to the material. He added certain insights on how the material can be more truthful in terms of the Taiwanese character.
Mahal ba direct?
Ha?
Mahal daw ba?
How much?
Mahal ang alam ni Ken.
Secret.
The only thing I can say is that because I really love the script, I gave a lot of discount.
It's 50% off.
Okay, pangatlong tanong para makarami tayo. Si Glenn daw, palagi nagtatanong. Glenn si Bong. Glenn, tayo ka na lang dyan.